Hi, it's Joelle, taking 2 steps out of my comfort zone to challenge myself to change and grow. Today, I'm gonna do something I haven't done since I was a little kid. Going out and playing in the rain. And we're adding an element of danger. There's thunder and lightning, but the chances of getting hit are pretty slim. So let's go.
Oh my God.
The risk? Totally worth it.
Crazy.
Ooh, that felt so good and fun. So now it's up to you. Choose something you haven't done since you were a kid, film yourself doing it, and post it in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you soon.